Hello
Hello
everyone.
everyone.
We
We
are
are
presenting
presenting
our
our
project
project
on
on
collision
collision
detection
detection
control
control
system
system
for
for
the
the
subject
subject of
of system
system
analysis
analysis
and
and
project
project
management.
management.
The outline for the presentation will be introduction followed by problem statement, objective, proposed system, business process diagrams, interface of the system, how we will implement the system, what will be the benefits of the system, and the future scope of our system. US is rapidly growing country in terms of number of cars on road. According to the recent data posted by LAtimes, approximately 253 million car runs on road. This causes heavy traffic on roads which leads to many accidents. Many measures have been taken to reduce the number of accidents like educating people about the traffic rules, punishment on breakage of rules, etc. But the problem still remains. So there is a need for a system that assists in safer driving and easier traveling. So we have proposed a system that optimizes the use of Google Maps app. The system is user-friendly application with availability for all people. Regarding the future scope, the system will be much more beneficial if the upcoming technologies will be added to it.
To overcome the problems, we came up with three functionalities that we can have in our application. We want to create a system that allows user to identify driver behavior pattern to prevent accidents. We wish that our system can provide alerts based on the behavior pattern and traffic analysis. Our system should allow users to identify their friends in nearby circle and also to contact them in case of emergency. The system wants the user to log in to use this app. The system will detect the driver's behavioral pattern and will indicate unusual pattern as red and yellow dot on Google Maps. Speed, rash driving, lane cutting, overtaking are the variables from which we can predict the behavior. Normal cars will have a green dot. These car symbols with the location will be seen on user interface. Nearby cars will also get an alert if driving is unusual based on the above parameters. There will be no alerts for yellow and green dotted cars. The proposed system will also send latest accident updates in the direction they are traveling. This feature will help to select a more feasible route at the same time. Google Maps will provide latest information to the system. The proposed system has an add-on function where if any of the friends of the user from the friend list can be detected on the application. Google Maps will provide the information of the friends to the system. System then notifies the user with an alert. The user will then get to know if any of the friends are in 5 miles of radius.
Here is the business process of our system. Firstly, the user will launch the application and using the credentials, user logs into the system. After logging in, the user can access his friend circle list. The friend detection system will detect the friend nearby the user within 5 miles of radius and gives alert to the user about the friend. Secondly, the user's location and driving behavior is monitored by driver behavior pattern analysis system. After analysis, if it is found that the driver's driving behavior is not safe for the other drivers, then they are marked as red dot and the nearby drivers get alert about the unsafe drivers. If the driver's behavior is normal, nearby drivers can see the driver on map as green dot, and if the driver's behavior is moderate, then driver get displayed on map as yellow dot. Also, the drivers assigned with the yellow dot are alerted that their driving pattern is becoming unsafe. Thirdly, the accident detection system will detect any occurrence of the user's accident. After detection, the alert is sent to the user's selected contacts. Also, the nearby drivers will get alerted about the accident and will be notified to choose the different way for the travel.
Let's have a look at our interface design. This is how our login page will look like. User need to enter his credentials here. Login will be authorized at this step. Once user successfully logs into the system, he would be able to use system's features. A system provides three features. First is driver behavior pattern. This interface will show the cars marked in red, yellow and green color within 2 miles of radius. Red denotes cars showing unusual driver behavior pattern like rash driving over speeding. Yellow car shows moderate behavior. They can exhibit threatening or safe behavior in their next few moves. Cars marked in green shows usual driver behavior pattern indicating that they are safe. Our second feature is accidental alert. This feature makes use of traffic feature provided by Google Maps. Accident alert system will sense the traffic caused due to accident and will alert the driver. It will also suggest nearest exit, which will help driver to reach destination with minimum delay. Our next and last feature is nearby friends. If two drivers are added as friend in each other's list and are nearby, they will be alerted. User can stop by to greet each other or can head out for a cup of coffee.
Now you have seen what is the system is exactly like. Now let's see what it takes to implement this system. We are expecting estimated cost around $500,000, which includes developing an application as well as cost for satellite and all other downloading and uploading speeds. Now the time needed to complete this system and completely build this system is around 5 months. The development and operation requires the use of satellite. Now what we can do is add on this feature on the Google Maps which uses the satellite, or have a dedicated satellite which will be beneficial more in terms of live and accurate update. This system requires database servers which will save all the contact data of drivers and users to allow them to contact with each other and their members for this behavioral pattern algorithm. Now let's pitch the idea. Why anyone will buy or use this system? Here are the benefits. As you can see from our project name, Collision Detection Control System, accident control is our main motto of all this design. Our system will make driving more safer on roads with this driver behavioral pattern recognition. As you have heard or as I learned the system, how system will work after implementation, there is much less accidents on road. The traffic control. Our system will make the traffic congestion go away. The most of the traffic is happened because any car is broken down or the accident has happened on the way to the any path, but it unable for the users to change the route because they don't get any prior alert about the accident on their path or on their destination. So our alert on the road accidents will surely alert them well in advance to change their route to reach their home or their destination in time. Also, our system provides emergency alert to selected friends and contacts if driver is driving rash, if there is an unusual pattern that is red dot or it's involved in accident. Because might be the chances that people or the family members doesn't know about any accidents happen to any persons. Our system will surely work on that and will give the best of it. Also, our system can locate the nearby friends. Come on, who doesn't want to meet their friends on going on a route or going on a trip, or even if you go to the office, there might be the chance that you can meet your friends, you can see where are they, if they are in a radius, or also the visibility, if their visibility is on. This is the benefits of our system. As we have gone through overall system, we know that there is always a chance for improvement. Let's hear the future scope of this system. This system, if implemented, will surely save a lot of lives. Well, that's the motto of designing this system. We want to reduce the on-road accidents in US, and we want to keep the people safe while driving as much as possible. Also, with the dedicated satellite to given the system, like currently this system is add-on feature on Google Maps which uses the satellite of Google Maps. But if dedicated or specific satellite is given for this system, more accurate and live information can be obtained. Currently, in case of any accidents, only family members and friends of drivers are contacted. But the system will automatically contact police department and ambulance, and help can be given more faster, and also this feature will save lot of lives. As we all know that there are new technologies which are coming to the market every day. If these technologies are added to the system, upgraded our system, the system can be more useful and more beneficial in the near future. Well, that's it from our group 12.
Our research on this project made us more aware about the driving in US, and we will make sure that we keep ourselves and others safe with our responsible driving. Thank you.